And here is the unboxing of the new DJI Mavic Air Flymore combo kit. As you can see, I haven't even undone this myself yet, so let's get into it. Here we go. Flymore combo. This is the Onyx Black UK version. Let's open the box. Here it is. Wow, that is really small. Really small. Also comes with is there anything in here? In DJI carry bag. Very nice. That's what we got. Okay, we got some instructions, propeller guards, DJI Care Refresh card, and that's it. That is it. What's in the box? Let's take a look at the drone. Oh, look at that. That is amazing. It is smaller than my hand. Look. That is crazy. Wow. Okay, just have a quick look at the specs on the box. See what it says. It's made for iPhone X, iPhone 7, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone SE, iPhone 6, iPhone 8, iPhone 6s Plus, iPhone 5s, iPhone 7 Plus, and iPhone 6s. You can get the DJI 4.0 up, downloadable on the Google Play Store and on the App Store. I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.